Present continuous, made easy. The present continuous is used to show that something is happening now. An example, you are watching this video. The subject is who is being discussed. The verb to be describes an action that the subject does. Verb plus ing is the action that is taking place. For the subject I, we use the verb to be am plus verb plus ing. Learning. For the subjects we, you and they, we use the verb to be are plus verb ing. Learning. For the subjects he, she and it, we use the verb to be is plus verb ing. Learning. The subject I, verb to be am, verb plus ing. Walking. I am walking. The subject you, the verb to be are plus verb plus ing. Walking. You are walking. The subject we, the verb to be are plus verb plus ing. Walking. We are walking. The subject they, the verb to be are plus verb plus ing. Walking. They are walking. The subject he, verb to be is plus verb plus ing. Walking. He is walking. The subject she, the verb to be is plus verb plus ing. Walking. She is walking. The subject it, the verb to be is plus verb plus ing. Walking. It is walking.